Hi, I'm Emily, and in this video we will discuss how to create assignments, grade them, and track attendance within our Class C365 LMS. All of your assignments can be uploaded via the quiz option. Currently, a school administrator or your TA will handle this process. However, if you ever need to edit this information or create a new assignment, you will navigate to the quiz option, click on Add New, and then input a title, a prompt, and a submission notification for students to receive after they submit the assignment. After you put in a title, a prompt, and a submission notification, you will add a question. For example, if you'd like them to do a paper, you will click on Add a question title, a description, which can be the same as the title and prompt that you already did. You can also do other course assignment options and styles, depending on what you need for your specific class. Students will submit all documents in PDF format for ease of viewing and compatibility across computers and systems. When you create an assignment, you should make sure that the PDF format has been selected. You can assign points under score types and calculation. This should match what has been assigned in the system for that assignment. You should always set the assignment as partial credit allowed so that you can grade the assignment correctly. Please display scores on the CPSOM scale. Assignments are found under quizzes. You can edit each assignment's details here. You can add any information you would like to add, manage questions, correct any due dates, and do anything else that you might need to do. You can also see the results here. When students upload assignments, they'll be found here. You will click on results and view each assignment. You will also be able to download their assignments. Once you have graded, you will be able to assign their points and grade their assignment. The results will then be posted for students at a set date and time, which you can select under Availability. You will then go to your classroom and manage grades by clicking on Assessment and Manage. This will take you to your gradebook. This is where grades will be updated for participation in workbooks. So it's vital that you or your TA do this. You can select a student and input their grades here. For example, if Emily Lucia received a 50% on her workbook in week 3, you would place it here. Keep in mind which week you are inputting and make sure to save so that no information is lost. Within your gradebook, you can filter to view specific assessment types. Attendance will be managed by either your TA or the school administrator. At the beginning of each class, students will scan in via an iPad or iPhone. Students who are absent are expected to communicate this to our school administrator. At the beginning of each morning, the school administrator will email you if any students will be absent and what arrangements will be made for them to complete coursework. As each student comes in, they will check in at the attendance kiosk, scan their card under their name, and it will then be updated in your system. It is the job of your TA and the school administrator to ensure that all students check in. So in summary, we went over how to create assignments, grade those assignments, and track attendance. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.